We are back on the Hampton Roads Show. This Friday night, you can escape the cold with a hot night in Rio. And you can do just that at the 23rd Annual Wine by Design event this weekend. Here now to tell us more is Dot Green from Virginia Mocha. Dot, welcome back to the Hampton Roads Show.
Thank you, Chris.
Okay, a hot night in Rio. Let me just say this. Last year's event was awesome. I have a feeling this is going to be even better. Tell me about this event Friday.
I think so, because we are going to be celebrating the start of Rio de Janeiro. It kicks off the same day, and I think we're going to need those warmer temperatures.
Definitely.
And we have 60 different wines this year, and 30 of those are South American wines paired with South American cuisine. So this will be a full Latin flair event this Friday at the Virginia Museum of Contemporary Art. Tickets are still available, $65 in advance, $75 at the door. It's from 7 to 10 p.m. We have a fantastic DJ. We also, this year, have a Brazilian dancer, so she can teach you some samba if you are inclined.
Is her name Ariana Aramburo? Hey, look, that was us last year. Listen, I just want to say once again, and I've already said this, it's a blast, and it's a great venue for a party. Not only do you get to have so much fun, taste so much great food, but you can go around and see the events.
You can. And you guys had Eurasia on here, I think, last week, who made some cocoa foam. I mean, the food is extraordinary.
Yeah.
That paired with wines, you get to really taste a lot of different things that you probably wouldn't have. And you don't have to fly to Rio to do it. You can just hop on over to Virginia Beach and sample some excellent cuisine and have a really fun night, dance. There's a fantastic silent auction. We also have partnered with the Hilton, who has a package. You can stay for the night if you like, turn it into a little mini staycation. And there's an after party at Catch 31.
That's right. Yeah. And let's talk about what it benefits, because Virginia Mocha is a special place here in Hampton Roads.
And it is a fundraiser, and it is our largest, one of our largest fundraisers for the winter. All proceeds go to our education programs, and we reach 15,000 children annually through Mocha's education programs, through our Art Start, Teen Apprentice, and our outreach.
So once again, there's plenty of tickets available, and highly recommended to anyone looking for a fun time on Friday night.
Absolutely, it's a great time.
All right, so the Wine by Design Hot Night in Rio. It is Friday night at 7 at Virginia Mocha in Virginia Beach. Tickets and information, virginiamocha.org, or you can call 425-0000. All this information will be on our website, thehamptonroadshow.com. Dot, can't wait to see you on Friday.
Yeah, it'll be fun. Looking forward to it.